Hello and welcome to my channel. Let's take a look at the recipe of homemade apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is not just a simple vinegar. It is a mixture of apple cider vinegar, which is used to treat various diseases. Apple cider vinegar helps the body to get rid of toxins. The consumption of apple cider vinegar helps to treat liver diseases, helps to lose weight, and is very nutritious. If you want your cider vinegar to be of good quality, use ripe and sweet apples. There is no difference between red or yellow apples. Wash the apples, let the extra water drain, and peel them. Separate the apple seeds, and if it is rotten, remove it. Now cut into smaller pieces. Be careful that the apples used must be dry so that your cider vinegar does not clump. The jar must be completely clean and completely dry. Then pour the apples into the jar according to the size of your apple. It is better not to fill the jar completely and leave some of it empty. The jar I used is 3 kg. For this size of jar, add vinegar to the apples. Close the lid tightly and keep it in a dark and warm place. Leave it for at least 3 months to 3 months. If you leave it for a year, the quality will be better. After 3 months, open the lid. After opening the lid, you will see a white cap on the lid. This white cap is called cider vinegar. If the cap is green, it means that your cider vinegar is rotten and you should throw it away. Place a suitable funnel under a funnel. Put a piece of thread on the funnel. Empty the contents of the jar into the funnel and press it with your hands and clean it. So that the apple juice is absorbed. That piece of thread makes your cider vinegar pure. Pour the cleaned cider vinegar into clean and dry glasses and keep it in a dark and warm place. By keeping it, the color of the cider vinegar changes to the color of the funnel, and then it is ready to use. If the cider vinegar stays for more than a year, the color of the cider vinegar changes to the color of the funnel. That's it. If you like this video, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and stay tuned.